Take page number 21 to 1.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. On 1st April 2020, an existing firm had assets of rupees 75,000, including cash of rupees 5,000. So, 1st April 2020, there was a firm which was having assets worth 75,000. In that assets, cash was included. So, including cash is given only to make you confused. No need to get confused, because cash is an asset, and if it is included in the assets, it's okay, no problem. We have nothing to do with this including cash of rupees 5,000. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, the partners' capital accounts showed a balance of rupees 60,000 and reserve constituted the rest. Now, what they are saying? Partner, they would have their capital accounts and the balance of their capital accounts are 60,000. And in business, reserves are also there. Reserves are rest. How much reserves? They didn't say. We will see. If normal rate of return is 10%, normal rate of return is given, and the goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 24,000 at 4 years purchase of super profit. So, at 4 years purchase of super profit, goodwill is valued at 24,000. Goodwill is given in our question. Find average profit of the firm. Now the question is asking to calculate average profit. So it is not necessary every time the question will ask you to calculate goodwill only. Sometime in question they will give you the total amount of the goodwill. They will ask you to calculate super profit or capital invested or average profit. So this question is also very important question. Here question asks you to calculate average profit of the firm. Always remember, when this type of question comes, try to write what information is given in our question. So assets equals to 75,000. It is given in our question. Capitals 60,000, that is also given in our question. And NRR means, what is that? Normal rate of return. You don't write NRR. You have to write the full form. Right? Normal rate of return 10%. Goodwill 24,000. All these are given in our question only. Till now we are using nothing. Everything is given in our question. Now what is the formula of this goodwill? Goodwill equals to super profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. So goodwill equal to super profit multiplied by 4 you can write, because number of years of purchase is 4 given in our question. Now in place of goodwill we can write 24,000. It is given. Goodwill already given in our question. We have to calculate average profit. So you can write 24,000 equals to super profit multiplied by 4. Now you can easily calculate super profit. 24,000, this 4 will come here and become division. So 24 divided by 4 equals to super profit, that comes to 6,000. So we can say super profit, value of the super profit comes 6,000. Now super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. We know the formula of super profit. Again you have to use the formula. What is the formula of super profit? Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. This is the formula. Normal profit equals to, that also we know the formula. Just we are applying the formula only. Capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. This is the formula for normal profit. Don't write NRR. Please write normal rate of return full form. Don't use any short form. Now, for capital employed, I already told you there are two formulas to calculate capital employed, and you have to decide which formula fits the question, because as per the information given we should use the formula. So first we will write the two formulas. What is the first formula for capital employed? Assets minus liabilities. If liability of the business is given, assets of the business are given, you can just subtract assets minus liability, you will get capital employed. What is the other formula to calculate capital employed? Total capital of the partners working in the business, their total capital if given in question you have to add, plus reserves, if any reserves are given that you have to add. In this question, if you see in our question, assets are given how much? 75,000, that is the total assets, and this capitals are given how much? Capitals given 60,000, but total capital plus reserve, you want reserve also. Reserve, they didn't give reserve, they are saying and reserve constitute the rest. What is the meaning of this? Reserve constitute the rest means they should have shown some hints. They didn't give any hint to calculate the reserves of the business. We don't know how much the business is having reserves. We know only the total capital of the partners. Only by this capital we cannot calculate capital employed, but we can use the other formula, that is assets minus liabilities, because any one formula it is compulsory to use, then only capital employed we can get. So assets we know 75,000, and since no information is given about liability, we can assume, it is just an assumption, because again about liability no information is given, but about reserve information is given that there are such amount of reserve which is not given in our question. So you have to understand, there is a twist in question. They are saying there are reserves, but they are not telling how much. That is why we can't use that formula. So we don't have any other option. We have to calculate capital employed by using assets minus liabilities, and you can assume liability as 0 because no information is given, like how much liability is there or liability is there or not, nothing is given. So we can assume, you can write, there is an assumption that liabilities are 0. You have to write that as small note. Then assets 75,000 minus, we are assuming there is no liability because information is given nothing related to liability. You can write 0. We are again see, assume liability 0. Then capital employed will come 75,000. Any doubt so far, anyone? Swarnika, Pavitra, Sachin, any doubt you people are having?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we are going to do? Normal profit now we can calculate. Apply the formula. Normal profit equals to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. Kindly write the full form. Don't use any short form. In place of capital employed, you can write 75,000 multiplied by normal rate of return given in our question 10%. You can write 10 by 100. So normal profit, when you solve this, you will get 7,500. This is normal profit. Now average profit equals to, question is asking you to calculate average profit. So what is the formula for super profit? Just go back. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. You can write again, no issues. Again you can write the same formula. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Write it down again, the same formula, right? Then in super profit already we calculated, we know the value of super profit 6,000. You can write in place of super profit 6,000. Normal profit, just now we have calculated 7,500. You can write in place of normal profit 7,500. Average profit we don't know, you can write it as average profit. Now average profit equals to, just you have to apply the formula, you will get super profit plus normal profit. When you add these together, because see normal profit is in minus, So you can bring in this side, so super profit plus normal profit equals to average profit. Super profit 6,000 plus average profit we have calculated 7,500. In this way average profit comes 13,500. Any doubt in any like in any formula anywhere you are not able to understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, no.
fine. Write again you can write the formula dear. Super then it becomes more clear how we are getting this. Today we are going to learn the next method, that is capitalization method of calculating goodwill. Page number 23. If any page is not visible, any page is not clear, kindly let me know, I will resend it. Okay, if you are not able to understand, it is not clear, please tell me, I will resend it the page.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, capitalization method. Again, there are two methods to calculate goodwill by using capitalization method. What are those two? Capitalization of average profit. Okay, when you have to use this method, capitalization of average profit, we will follow this method if question is silent. When you read the question, now question does not tell you which method you have to use. In that particular case, you will use this method only, capitalization of average profit. So write it clearly. We will follow this method if question is silent. Q means question. Whenever the question is silent, question is not telling which method you have to use, then you can use capitalization of average profit method. Second, capitalization of super profit. What is the second method? Capitalization of super profit. Now again start writing all the steps. First, capitalization of average profit method. What is the first step in this? Calculate average profit of the firm, already discussed. You all know how to calculate average profit of the firm. Suppose 4 years, 5 years profit are given. You have to add all together. If any loss is given, you have to subtract. Then you have to divide by number of years of profit or loss given. That's it. That is the way we calculate average profit. So calculate average profit of the firm. First step. What is the second step? Capitalized value of the business. Now what is the meaning of capitalized value? Equals to average profit, which you will calculate in the first step, multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Kindly write the formula. These are the formulas. Capitalized value equals to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Write full form, normal rate of return. The third step, after this what you will do? Calculate net assets of the business. You have to calculate net assets. Now again there is a formula. Net assets equals to capital employed. So capital employed, net assets all are same. What is the meaning of net assets? Capital employed. And you know how to calculate capital employed. There are two formulas. If assets and liabilities both are given, assets minus liabilities equals to capital employed. Suppose total capital and reserves are given, total capital plus reserves equals to capital employed. So we know how to calculate capital employed, and capital employed equals to net assets. Are you getting my point? Any doubt so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now step 4, this is the final step. Goodwill. We are going to calculate goodwill. So goodwill equals to capitalized value minus net assets. This is the formula. Capitalized value minus net assets. No need of number of year purchase. In this method, that is, this is the only method, capitalization method, where there is no need of number of years of purchase in order to calculate the goodwill. So there are 4 steps you should know. After this we can calculate. So capitalization of, so now the second method. This is the first method, capitalization of average profit method. What is the second method? Capitalization of super profit. This is the second method. So What is the method? Step 1. Calculate super profit. You know how to calculate super profit. Already we have discussed. Super profit equals to average profit. You can write again, no issues. You can write the formula. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. And average profit, you know how to calculate. Total number of years of profit or loss given, add together, divide by number of years of profit given. And what is normal profit? Capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. These formulas you should be thorough. You should use these formulas. So once you know average profit, once you know normal profit, then just average profit minus normal profit, if you do, you will get super profit. And now once you get super profit, then what you will do? You have to write the formula for goodwill. Goodwill equals to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. NRR equals to normal rate of return. You can write the full form. Any doubt so far, dear students? Any doubt you people are having?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now we will move to question. All these are important questions only. Question number 1. A firm earned average profit rupees 3 lakh during the last few years. Average profit of the firm already given in our question, 3 lakh rupees. Now, normal rate of return is 15%. Normal rate of return is also given in our question, 15%. Assets of the business is 17 lakh. Assets of the business given, and its liabilities is 2 lakh. So, for capital employed, easily by reading the question you can understand. Assets given, liabilities given, assets minus liability. When you do, you can get capital employed. Calculate goodwill by capitalization of average profit. Question tells you have to calculate the goodwill. But which method you have to use? Capitalization of average profit. Now what are the given information? Average profit given 3 lakh, assets given 17 lakh. Normal rate of return given 15%, liability given 2 lakh. You write all the items given in our question. These are the items already given. Now, average profit is given 3 lakh. Capitalized value. Now, what is the formula for this capitalized value? If you go to step 2, capitalized value equals to, what is the formula? Write it down. First, always write the formula. Capitalized value equals to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. You have to write the formula, then only you have to solve. So capitalized value equals to, write it down, average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Now average profit given in our question 3 lakh multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return given 15. Write 15. When you solve, you will get capitalized value 20 lakh. This is the capitalized value. Now, net assets equals to capital employed, we know. Capital employed equals to, how to calculate capital employed? Total assets minus liability. Given in our question, assets also given, liability also given. So, how much total assets? 17 lakh minus how much liability? 2 lakh. So, net assets, or you can call it as capital employed. Both are same. Both are not the different thing. Both are same only. So, net assets or capital employed equals to 15 lakh. By using the formula only, we are doing everything. Now, again write the formula for goodwill. Goodwill equals to capitalized value minus net assets. Now, capitalized value we have calculated. It comes how much? 20 lakh. Capitalized value, that is average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return, minus net assets. Net assets also we calculated by using the formula. Net assets or capital employed same. So total assets minus total liability, that also we calculated. How much it is? Net assets equals to 15 lakh. So goodwill equals to 5 lakh. 20 lakh minus 15 lakh. 5 lakh is the answer. Any doubt in this particular question anyone is having?
No, no.
Okay, these are very important questions, so write it down everything. Okay, now we are moving to the second question, number 2. Punit and Tarun. Okay, Punit and Tarun are in restaurant business. There are two partners, Punit and Tarun. Both are running a restaurant business, having credit balances in their fixed capital accounts as rupees 2,50,000 each. So both these partners, they are having their capital balance, that is fixed capital balance, 2,50,000 Punit is having, Tarun is also having 2,50,000. Each, they have written each means each one of them is having 2,50,000. They have credit balance in their current account. So fixed capital account given, current account given. Both have their different balances. Rupees 30,000 and rupees 20,000. These are current account balances. The firm does not have any liability. Firm is not having any liability. They are regularly earning profits. Okay, the restaurant, it is going well. Both Punit and Tarun, they are earning profits on regular basis. Okay, and their average profit of last 5 years is 1 lakh. Average profit is already calculated and given. If normal rate of return is 10%, normal rate of return is also given in our question 10%. Find the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. So now they are asking you to calculate goodwill by using what method? Capitalization of average profit method. So what you have to do first, since fixed capital balances are given, current balances are given, so always first write in this way. You write Punit, Tarun, there are two partners. So Punit is having fixed capital 2,50,000, Tarun is also having 2,50,000. Both are their fixed capital balances. What about the current balances? Punit is having 30,000 current account balance, Tarun is having 20,000 current account balance. So now you have to add Punit, how much capital he is having? 2,80,000. How much Tarun is having? 2,70,000. Now net assets 5,50,000. Now how we got this net assets? Net assets equals to capital employed. We know the formula. Net assets equals to capital employed. For capital employed, there are two methods. One, total assets minus liability, or the second, total capital account balances plus any reserves. So in this question, if you see, they are saying liability, the firm doesn't have any liability, but about any assets, have they given any information? No information is given about assets. So if there is no information about assets, how much assets the business is having, we cannot use that method for calculating capital employed. Then the other methods, that is by total capital plus reserves. Reserves not given, okay, but at least capital, current account balance, fixed capital balance are given. When you add all these together, that is 2,80,000 plus 2,70,000 total capital of the firm, that is equals to total capital of the business, capital employed of the firm, or you can say net assets. All are same. This 5,50,000 is net assets. This is only net assets. Now, average profit given in our question, how much? 1 lakh. Normal rate of return given, how much? 10%. Goodwill equals to, what is the formula for calculating goodwill? First, goodwill equal to capitalized value minus net assets. So average profit is given 1 lakh. Capitalized value, first you have to calculate. Capitalized value equals to average profit. Write the formula. You don't put the amount directly. First, always try to write the formula. You have to write. So capitalized value equal to, first write the formula. How to calculate capitalized value? Equals to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. This is the formula for calculating capitalized value. So write it down. Then when you do it, in place of average profit, you can write 1 lakh multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return is 10. When you solve it, you will get how much you are going to get. Yes, 10 lakh I think.
Ma'am, 10 lakh.
Yeah, 10 lakh. Now net assets we have already calculated. How you calculated net assets? By adding the fixed capital of the partners and by adding the current balances of the partners. When you add all these together, you will get the net assets 5,50,000. So you know both capitalized value, net assets, you calculated. Now you can write the formula for goodwill. Goodwill equals to capitalized value minus net assets. So the capitalized value is how much? 10 lakh rupees minus this net assets is 5,50,000. When you solve this, goodwill comes 4,50,000. Understood or having any doubt? Anyone? Sachin, Pavitra, Swarnika, you people are having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So our this goodwill chapter finished. In the next class, we will start admission of a partner. Okay, we are going to start admission of a partner. That is the partnership we will continue. Now, are you practicing whatever book you are having like T.S. Gerewal or D.K. Goyal, whatever book you are having, your school is following? Have you started practicing the chapters which I have already taught? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you able to solve the book back questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, today only they started the goodwill chapter in school.
Where, dear? In your school, Sachin?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
So I can able to understand it.
Okay, you can able to understand. You are able to solve the questions.
Yes, ma'am. No, just now sir started the theory part of this chapter.
Okay, that's
So I can understand it.
very good, very good, very good, Sachin. And
Sure, thank you.
yeah, what about other chapters, dear? Like you joined when I was doing that fundamentals, right? Half of
yes,
the
ma'am. The
chapter.
partnership chapter. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
In my school, they didn't start the chapter yet. So I told that it is a lengthy chapter, so they kept it for last.
Okay, okay. But you don't wait for your sir or your school, okay? We are preparing for boards, okay? Just keep in mind for 12th boards you are doing the preparation in my tuition, okay? So this is going for 12th boards preparation. Don't wait for your school, your teacher. So all the recorded video which I have sent, whenever you get time, kindly go through it, make notes, send me so that I can also come to know that okay, you are going through this recorded video, you are able to understand, you are making notes, okay, Sachin?
Sure, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, and start doing the sums. You are having which book in your school? Which book you are having?
T.S. Agarwal, ma'am.
T.S. Gerewal. Okay.
Gerewal, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So at present you are having at home, na? That book you are having, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll send you the picture of the books.
Yeah, okay, no issues, dear.
Sure, ma'am.
No issue. So start practicing, okay? From day one, if you offer all the three, I am telling, not only for Sachin, from day one, start practicing so that you don't feel like anything difficult before the board exams. I focus on board, not on the school exams or school marks, whatever you are scoring. I know how much you people will score, okay? So I don't have any issue with that. But I want you to score excellent marks, all the three in boards, okay? 12th boards, okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Fine. So I don't know that too early I will finish this chapter, so I didn't send you that PDF notes for that admission of a partner. I thought today also it will take one more class. Now what to do? You have any doubt to ask?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sachin, you have anything to ask, dear?
No, ma'am. I understood it, chapter.
Okay, fine. So what to do? Shall we end our class? It's too early, but what to do? I didn't send you that admission and all. I thought today also it will take time. So from next class, can we start admission of a partner? Is it okay for you people, or you have something to ask? You are welcome. You can ask me. Yes, Swarnika, Pavitra, like in fundamentals, any concept, any question you are strucking. If you are having doubt, you can ask now. Yes.
No, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay, fine. If it's clear, then in next class, be ready. We will be starting with our admission of a partner. Okay, I will, and today itself I will send you the PDF and everything. Next class I will start. Okay, that is on Wednesday. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night, dear. Thank you.